Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to insert a simple pie graph, using Excel. As you can see, we have in column A, we have a list of expenses: MetroCard, light bill, rent, food, cell phone, internet bill. And of course, these expenses will be different for different people. On the second column, column B, we have the amounts for those bills or those expenses. And these can be either weekly expenses or monthly expenses, right? And the reason we will create a pie chart is to get a visual of which expenses are taking up most of your income, and that way you may be able to adjust those expenses in order to fit your budget. So let's get started. A very simple pie graph, right? So first we will select everything we want to include in the pie graph, including the titles. Do not highlight the total. So you will click your left mouse button, hold it down to select everything you want to include. Do not include the total. Click insert, go over to charts, and you can see this one says insert pie chart. Click that and click whichever one you want, 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, doesn't really matter. Click that and voila, you have your pie chart. Now you can see you have your legend down here at the bottom with different colors. MetroCard is blue or dark blue. This is the MetroCard here. Light is orange, the light bill, light expense, rent, green, etc., etc. Food is orange or yellow. Now, you see the values here are $31 for the MetroCard, light is $75, rent is $1,000, but you do not see the amounts on the pie chart, right? So in order to see the amounts on the pie chart that correspond to each expense, you click chart elements, which is this cross here, green cross, and click chart data labels, right? Now if you scroll over to the arrow on the side, you will see that you have more options here on where to insert the data labels. Now you can insert them in the center of the chart, inside N, outside N, or best fit. I would pick best fit, and voila, now you see that you have the corresponding values for each expense. So example, food is the yellow, which is $400. The rent is the gray part, which is $1,000, $1,000. Now, if your expenses change, you don't have to reinsert the pie chart. You can just change the values, and the pie chart will be updated to match the values. So let's see, we change the rent from 1,000 to 500. Hit enter. And you see that the pie chart changed. Now the rent is 500. You want to change the background color of your chart, you can just click the fill drop down box, change it to any color you want. Say you want to change it to light blue, and there it is. You can also click design and change the design type. See all these design types up here. If I hover over them, you will see that the design for the chart changes. Let's say I want to change it to this design. Just click it, and voila. Now that is a simple chart graph. If you want to change the title, just double click it, hit backspace, and type whatever you want the title to be. And that's the end of this tutorial. You have any questions, comments, just comment below and I will create a tutorial answering your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.